Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mute a chat on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the chats button down below, which is the second option. And then you should click on the or slide to the left side and tap on the mute button so that your chat is muted, as you can see, marked with this speaker icon next to the username of this person, so that you won't receive any message notifications. If you want to unmute this person, then slide to the right side and click on unmute, so you will receive chat notifications or message notifications. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.